It's day 2. Let's get it. So what I did was add water, ice, took out all my stuff from the iFast bag and added it to the bottle and shook it up. So this morning, I took out of my iFast packet the first one that I'm supposed to be drinking, which is the Keto OS Nat, the Citrus Mitoplex, and the Signal OS AM. So this is what they look like. This is the Mitoplex. This is the Watermelon Sweets. It's charged. These are the AMs. Okay. And that's my morning. They come in like little pills like this, but I don't swallow pills, so I always break it apart, put it in. I put it in here, shake it up, drink it down. And that's it. If you want to learn more about all the benefits and all the things, just hit me in the DM. You just click this link and get your own slim down kit. I'm your coach, Angie B. Have an amazing day.